wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids!
From A to Z.
From East to West.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again.
Yay!
Olivia, I'm ready. I got the sled out. Let's go.
Oh, yeah! Let's go! Wait,
What?
Noah.
I'm ready.
but-
I put on my boots. I put on my jacket.
Yeah.
I put on my
Your hat?
my hat.
Yeah, your beanie?
Yeah, my beanie. I put on my beanie. I have the sled for us to go out. So what are you waiting for? Why haven't you changed?
I'm waiting for the snow. It didn't snow yet.
Oh, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh. Guess I can't go sledding then.
Well, but we can prepare for when it does snow.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Okay, but I have my hat on.
Okay.
I have my jacket on. I have my boots on. So now we can go.
No, it still has to snow.
Oh yeah, you're right. How do we make it snow?
We could do a snow dance. There's rain dances. Maybe there's a snow dance.
Let it snow, let it snow,
Let it snow, let it snow,
let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Cold outside, the weather is frightful. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yeah.
Is that a song?
That's part of a song. It says, "Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow." Yeah.
Oh yeah, really.
But you know what, Noah?
Yeah.
I know that you're all ready, but I'm not.
Yeah, kind of.
But you could help me get ready.
Look at my hair. I have a hat head.
Yeah, just shake it out. Woo!
Okay, now I think that looks better.
Yeah, your hair's pretty good like that. That looks good. Do you want to help me get ready?
Okay.
Okay. What do I need first?
You need a hat.
Okay. Okay. I have a couple options. I have that one, or I have,
I would choose that one.
or this one.
Well, I guess if you really want to look cool, that one. But I think that one is going to be warmer.
But what if this one matches my coat?
Well, then you should take what matches.
Okay, I'm gonna use
Then
this
why
one.
do you even ask me?
I don't know, cause
Girls.
maybe I was just showing you all of the options.
Okay, well.
Maybe you want to borrow it. You want to borrow my hat?
No. I would take this one, though.
Okay. All right, you can wear that one, and I'll wear this one. And then
Okay, hold on.
you gonna put it on?
It doesn't really fit me.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of why I don't wear it. It kind of falls off, which makes it colder. Okay, so we're not going to use that one. We're going to use this pink one. So I'm going to use the pink one.
Okay.
And boo! We don't need that one right now. Okay, and
You should wear a jacket. I have a jacket on, see?
yeah. Okay, I have. How about my pink
that
coat?
matches your hat. That looks beautiful.
Okay,
Why didn't
I'll
you
wear.
say so?
I did say so. I said it matches.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, remember?
I guess I didn't listen.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. All right, so we got all
That's
that.
a great outfit.
Thank you. Okay, so now that I've got that,
What about boots?
Oh, yeah, boots.
You need
boots,
snow
boots.
boots so your feet won't get wet.
I have.
Ouch.
Oops, sorry.
Wow.
Okay, there's my snow boots.
Okay.
Okay, and what else?
I think
that it?
that's it. Yeah, just yourself. Maybe some gloves.
I think. Oh yeah, gloves would be good. Okay, I'll get my gloves, and I think maybe. I think this. Yeah.
But we're not going into a cave. Why are you wearing that?
Well, am I steering or are you steering?
I'm steering. Definitely me steering.
Yeah, that's why I'm wearing this.
What? You think I'm going to be that bad of a sled driver?
What if we fall off? I don't know. I gotta be prepared.
We won't
See?
fall off.
Now I'm nice and safe, except for I can't see.
Yeah, see? It's
or
better to
or
see.
if there's so much snow, I can be like, ooh, and I can turn on my light and we'll be able to see even through a blizzard. We'll be like, ooh, blizzard snow, blizzard snow.
You're funny.
Yeah.
Well, wear whatever hat you want to do. I'm going to wear my beanie hat so I can stay warm.
No, I think I'm just going to wear my regular hat. Whoa. This is a lot of winter stuff.
Yeah, you have a lot of stuff. Will
Yeah.
you be able to wear all of that?
No, I think that hat's going to stay.
Okay.
The rest of it I think I can wear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
All right. It's going to be hard to put these on.
So what about this snow?
Snow. Noah. Do you look out the window?
Look outside.
Oh.
It's starting
It's starting to snow.
Yay.
Noah, our snow dance.
Yeah, it helped.
Oh, our snow dance worked.
Yes.
Oh, it's so nice and pretty.
So I guess now we just wait.
Yeah.
And then hopefully by tomorrow,
Yeah.
there'll be enough snow for us to go
Oh,
sledding.
I think so. Oh, and maybe, what are the other things we could do in the snow? I think we should do a whole snow day.
Yeah. We can play and throw snowballs at each other.
Snowball fight. Oh, we can make a fort. I would like to make a snowman or a snow fort.
Yeah, or a snowman.
Oh, yeah, and a snowman.
Oh,
and
but wait. For the snowman, we'll need carrots and
carrots.
buttons and some branches.
Buttons. Oh, and if we don't have buttons, we can use raisins.
Or stones.
Or
That
stones.
might even be better.
Yeah, rocks. Yeah. We
Yeah.
can use that. Whoa.
Well,
Yeah,
why don't
I
we
wonder-
get those things too? Because it looks like it's going to snow all night, and
Yeah.
then tomorrow we're ready.
Yeah. I think we'll probably still have to put on our coat and our boots right now, though, because it's snowing. So Mom's not going to let us go outside if we're not warm.
Yeah, that's okay. But
Yeah.
let's just get all of our things ready and
Yeah.
then wait until the snow is high enough so we can go sledding.
I hope it snows a lot.
Yeah, me too.
Like a whole ton. Oh, that means that Jack Frost is visiting us tonight. Yeah, because he brings the snow and the
That's
frost.
true.
Mhm.
Yeah,
That's nice.
that's nice.
Great. Are you kids going to go sledding?
Yeah, are you or are you going to build a snowman?
Ooh, yeah. Or you can pack all the snow together and then like carve a face into it.
Yeah, or make a snow angel.
Oh, yeah, I want to do a snow angel.
Yeah, we'll do snow angels.
For sure. Oh, and we can write our name in the snow. I want
Yeah.
to do that. And I'm going to do it with my feet, so it's really big.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Or maybe you'll go ice skating.
Yeah.
We can do that too.
Yeah, you can be like a figure skater.
Yep.
And you can spin in a circle.
Yep.
If you can stop. I can't stop yet, so I don't spin in circles yet. but
Okay.
yeah.
We'll just practice.
Yeah, I'm going to practice.
First, we'll go sledding.
Yeah, sledding! Woo! And we'll go down a hill. It'll be like whoosh, 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 woo! Ah! Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh! Yay!
Okay, kids.
Yeah.
Well, why don't you get ready for your winter sledding and
Yeah.
snow and winter day?
And all your warm stuff. Oh, get your hot chocolate ready.
Yeah.
And your marshmallows for your hot chocolate.
Exactly.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yep.
All the good stuff.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, and your books.
Well, why books? Why would you take books outside?
No.
You're just gonna go get
You
wet.
don't take the book outside. It's for inside when you're drinking your hot chocolate.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
Maybe we'll have a winter story time.
Oh, that'd be really fun.
Yep.
Right now, I think, can we go check and see how deep the snow is now?
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, kids. Well, we hope that you will have a fun snow day.
Yay, snow day!
And make sure to stay warm.
Yeah, stay warm and dry and enjoy sledding. Have a
Enjoy
good time.
sledding. Yep.
Right.
Be safe.
Be safe.
Take care of yourself.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and we should get Fluffy because Fluffy likes the snow too.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Bye, kids.
Bye, kids. See you next
See you
time.
next time.
Bye.
Bye. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
I gotta get all my stuff. Ah, so much stuff.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Whoa.
I think-
look at that.
Yeah, I think somebody was inspired by your abstract art.
Oh, that's lovely. Yeah. I'm so excited that we have mail. This one was so dots. Look at all those
I
dots.
know.
Whoa.
Isn't it? I could look at this picture a long time, and I feel like there's a lot in there.
Yeah, this is very, very modern art.
Yeah, this is like your. I think this is very much inspired by your art.
Oh, thank you. I think this is one of the most practiced and patient artists. Let's see.
From who is it?
Oh, this one is from Elijah in Montana.
Elijah in Montana.
Wow,
Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. We really, really appreciate your art. I'm gonna hang this up.
Yep.
Yeah, maybe I can put this one in my room, but we could trade it back and forth.
Okay, that sounds good.
Thank you, Elijah.
Thank you,
Have a good
Elijah.
day.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!